Let's suppose that we denote the lateral surface area by the letter L. We have the formula for lateral surface area of a cylinder. This is 2 pi r h. So let's see how to find out the rate of lateral surface area. Let me copy this formula, that is L equals 2 pi r h, and I find the derivative on both sides. So I put the derivative symbol, that is d by dt of L, as well as to the right side, that is d by dt of 2 pi r h. Now on the left side we will have dl over dt. Derivative of L with respect to time is dl over dt. So this represents the rate of lateral surface area, and this is equal to, since we have this constant 2 pi, when we use the constant multiple rule of derivatives, we can factor this out of the derivative. So we will get 2 pi times of d by dt of RH. And to find the derivative of RH, we have to basically use the product rule. So in the next step, I'm going to do that. So I have 2 pi times of, I put a square bracket. First, I have to find the derivative of R with respect to time. So I write derivative of R with respect to time. Multiply this with the H, and then I keep the radius as it is, that is R, and then multiply with the derivative of H, that is d by dt of H. Let's simplify this. So this gives 2 pi times of derivative of r with respect to time. We can write this as dr over dt times of h plus r times of derivative of h with respect to time h is dh over dt. Now we can see from the given information, both the radius and height are increasing at the rate of 2 feet per second, which means if we convert that to mathematical equivalent using the derivatives, dr over dt equals dh over dt, and this is given as 2. So we can use this information in this equation. So I'm going to plug that here, 2 pi times of, instead of dr over dt, I plug in 2, and then I have the h plus r times of dh over dt, and this is also 2. So this gets simplified to 2 pi times of 2h plus 2r. Now I can factor out the 2. So this becomes 2 pi times of 2 is 4 pi, and then I have this quantity r plus h. So this is basically the rate of change of the lateral surface area. Now we have to give this in feet square per second, or this is also written as square feet per second, since the area is always in unit square. So 4 pi times of r plus h, this is the answer for this question. This is the lateral surface rate of change of lateral surface area of the cylinder.